I am going to show you the quickest way to solve this integral. So we are going to start off with this integral by adding 1 and subtracting 1 to the numerator, right? So I have x squared, and then I'm going to bring plus the cosine square of x here. So what I'm going to do to the numerator, I'm going to add 1 and subtract 1 to the numerator, right? The net effect is 0. So divided by the denominator, which is x squared plus 1 multiplied by the sine square of x and then dx. So what I'm going to do, the first two terms, I'm going to group those ones together like this, and then the next two terms, I'm going to factorize negative 1 out. When I do that, that is going to be 1 minus the cosine square of x. All this one divided by x squared plus 1 multiplied by the sine square of x and then dx. Cool, right? So from the Pythagorean identities, this is the sine square of x is the same as 1 minus the cosine square of x, right? So I'll just replace 1 minus cosine square of x with sine square x. So I have x squared plus 1, and then minus this one is the sine square of x. So I have the sine square of x divided by x squared plus 1, which is multiplied by the sine square of x dx. And now I'm going to split this integral into two different integrals. I is going to be the integral of x squared plus 1 divided by x squared plus 1 multiplied by the sine square of x dx, minus the integral of the sine square of x all over x squared plus 1 multiplied by the sine square of x and then dx. Cool. Now this one, the first one, x squared plus 1 is going to cancel x squared plus 1. Now you are going to have I to be equal to the integral of 1 all over the sine square of x dx, minus sine square of x is going to cancel sine square of x, and you have the integral of 1 all over x squared plus 1 dx. 1 over the sine square of x is the cosecant square of x, right? This is the cosecant square of x dx minus the integral of 1 all over x squared plus 1. We know that when we differentiate the cotangent of x, right, the cotangent of x, this is going to be the negative cosecant square of x, right? So in that case, if we are integrating the negative cosecant square of x dx, this is going to give us the cotangent of x, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to multiply the integral by negative and then nullify the negative by multiplying negative inside. Negative cosecant square of x dx minus the integral, there is the x here, beg your pardon, of 1 all over x squared plus 1 and then dx. And now what is the integral of the negative cosecant square of x dx? That is the cotangent of x. So I is going to be equal to negative outside, and this is the cotangent of x, minus the integral of 1 all over x squared plus 1 is the tan inverse of x. And then we are done, we put the constant of integration. So I here is going to be equal to, you can factorize negative 1 out, this will be the cotangent of x plus the tan inverse of x plus the constant of integration. So this one, ladies and gentlemen, is the answer to this integral. So that is the quickest way to solve this integral. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. And then I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.